Hello guys, and welcome to this new Excel tutorial. In this video I'm going to talk about filter function in Excel, which is a function that allows you to return a subset of data from a range based on one or more conditions. In this example, as you can see, we have a table which contains employees with their age, department, salary, and also the joint date. And to understand the filter function better, we're going to apply it on different examples on our table. So the first one, for example, if you want to select or to filter by department, where we select all the employees where the department equals to sales, we need to write equal filter function, right? So basically we select our table from B3 to F 2022, right? And then we want the department, which is the following, from D3 to D 2022 equals to, we write sales. If we don't have any employees in the sales department, we are going to return no, for example, sales employees. All right, as you can see here, we have 5 different employees in the sales department with their age. So we have here the department, here we have the salary, and here we have the joint date. So basically we just need to put it as long date, right? And here we have the salary, right? Another example, if we want all the employees that have a salary which is greater than 8,000, we write equals to filter. Same thing, we select our table. Now we want the salary, which will be greater than 8,000. Else we put, for example, no high earners. Okay, so here we have all the employees with their age, same thing, their department, and the salary which is higher than 8,000, and same thing here we have the joint date. Next, for example, we can select the different rows with 2 conditions. For example, let's say the age is less than 30 and the department equals to IT. So same thing, we write the filter function, right? We select our table. Then we have the first condition, which is the age less than 30, right? And so this is AND function. The department equals to IT, right? Else we write, for example, no young IT staff, right? So basically we have only one employee, right? Employee 15, age 2022 in the IT department. Same thing, we can also use the OR function. So basically if you want to filter by department, sales or marketing, same thing, we write equals to filter. So we select our table and the condition. So basically the first condition, it will be the department equals to sales, or same thing, the department equals to marketing. Else we return no match, for example. So here we selected all the employees only in the sales and marketing departments. So that's it for this tutorial. I hope that you have learned new things. Thanks for watching and see you in next tutorial.